Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Louder?
ma'am.
Yes,
Louder?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see me also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have to do now? If everything is fine,
Yes,
what you
ma'am.
have to do next? Zeba Mariam, please mute yourself. Everybody, please mute it because we don't want to waste time, right?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon. After joining the class, please mute your
Good
screen
afternoon, ma'am.
fast.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, everybody mute your audio. Okay, you are in 6th standard, so you are all grown-ups, right? So you can do things without the instruction, right? You know it. After entering into a class, what you have to do, you know that. So you can do it, right? How many students are present? Only 18 students. How many are there in your class actually? 33 will be there, right? But I can see only 18 students. Why? What happened? Okay, Ihan, I can't see your face. I can see something background. That's only. Sandra, switch on the audio. Heron, switch on the audio. Video, not audio, please. Video. Okay. Okay. So in the last class, we discussed about this different nutrients, right? We discussed about carbohydrates.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me call Clara. Clara Maria. Clara, please unmute. Clara, please unmute. Don't switch off the video. So, Fidel Babu.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, can you tell me what we discussed in the last class?
We discussed
Yeah.
we discussed about sprouted seeds
Okay. Sprouted seeds means that contains which
that contains
nutrient? Which nutrient?
like
Proteins, right?
yes,
It
yes,
contains proteins. Okay.
proteins.
Okay. So we discussed the carbohydrates and fats, then
Yes.
proteins, right?
Yes.
Proteins are also two types that we get from animals and that we get from plants. Okay. Sprouted
Example
seeds are
for cow and goat.
okay. So sprouted seeds. See, I think you all are ready to attend the class. So please mute your audio and switch on the video. Okay. Adi Ishwar, no need to show any thumbs ups. Okay. Just listen to class. Mute your audio and listen to class. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can unmute it and you can ask me. Adi, please. Okay. Good. Now, Heron, I want to see your face. Please switch on the video. In the last class, we discussed about proteins. What is the function of protein? Okay. I will say those who know the answer. What are the functions of protein? Just raise your hand. Don't unmute. Just raise your hand. Let me see how many of you know the functions of protein. Okay. Proteins. Only 2 students. Why? Why the others don't know? I think in the other classes, Dixon ma'am has already.
Protein helps to defeat the disease.
Diseases.
Diseases.
Excellent. Okay. See, if I call the name, then only you have to tell it. Okay. Proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body. They are needed for the growth and repair of our body. So we can call this as body building nutrient. Body building nutrient. See, sprouted seeds, then so many types of beans, these all pulses, these all are rich in proteins. Not only the pulses, milk and milk products, egg, then fish, meat, these also are rich in proteins. Okay. Up to there we discussed in the last class. So today we can discuss this vitamins. Okay, vitamins. Anybody know about the functions of vitamin? Those know the answer, just raise it. Just raise it. Okay, elders.
Yes, ma'am.
Elders, okay. Can you tell me what are the functions of vitamins?
Ma'am, vitamins gives structure to blood vessels and ligaments.
Okay, then any other one important? This is the important function of vitamins. Okay, just unmute it. Sorry, just mute it. Okay, listen. This vitamins helps in protecting our body against diseases. Understood? Vitamins helps our body to fight against the diseases. Say sometimes when you are sick, you will be taken to the doctor, right? Doctor may advise you, he will prescribe some medicine. Along with that, he will prescribe you to take some leafy vegetables, fruits, these all things. Understood? Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Sometimes doctors will prescribe some vitamin tablets also. Vitamin tablets also.
Tablets.
Or vitamin syrups. Okay. So if you are in your body, if it is so big, so by eating the food, if you can't take these all vitamins, so you can make your body vitamin rich by these tablets also. Okay, using the syrups or tablets. But it is better to eat fruits and vegetables or food items which contain vitamins. Okay, so we can see what all the vitamins are required for our body, which all food items gives these vitamins. Okay, before that, let me see which is the important function of vitamin. Fayaz, Fayaz, can you tell me? Okay, Fayaz, Fayaz, are you ready? Fayaz, Fayaz Muhammad, please unmute Fayaz. No. I think I can call Ihan. Ihan, Ihan, please unmute. There. Okay, can you hear me, Ihan? No. Okay. Okay. Okay, can you hear me? 1 minute, I will come back to you. Zeba Mariam, please unmute. Zeba Mariam, please unmute. Zeba Mariam, please unmute.
Ma'am, I already unmute.
Okay, so just tell me, what is the main function of vitamins? What is the main function of vitamins?
It helps us to fight germs and
Fight
it give
against
energy.
diseases. Fight
Yes, ma'am.
against diseases.
Diseases.
Okay, it helps in protecting our body.
Body
It helps
against
in
diseases.
protecting our body against diseases. Okay, see,
Ma'am,
everybody, yes,
can I mute?
yes, everybody should
Ma'am,
mute it.
vitamin help in protecting
Okay,
our
okay, Ihan.
body.
Ihan, I think your network is slow. I will come back to you after some time. So please mute it. Okay, here Amar Jishad, please switch on your video. I want to see. Manish also, Herin also. Herin, I want to see your face. I can't spend so much time by instructing you like this. Okay, do it fast. This vitamins are of different types. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin E, K, like this, so many vitamins are there. Okay, these all vitamins are controlling, or they are each diseases they are fighting it. Okay, each vitamins are protecting our body from particular disease. We have to know what are the functions of each vitamin, and from which all food items we will get these vitamins. Okay, first one, now I want to share the screen. While I am sharing the screen, nobody is permitted to unmute themselves. Okay, don't do it, just listen to class. Okay, will you do it? Amar, Jishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Please mute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Yasin also, mute your audio. Adi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Can you see one? Can you
Green
see?
screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We
What
can
it is
see
written?
vitamin A.
Okay, vitamin A. It is written vitamin A, right? See the food items. Here I am showing some food items which contain vitamin A. Before we move to that food item, just we can check it. What are the functions of this vitamin A? Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes health. Okay, it keeps our skin and eye health. So if we want a good eyesight, if we want a good skin, we should include these food items in our diet. Okay, I think some of you are wearing specs, right? Some of the students I can see wearing the specs. So when they consulted an eye specialist, the doctor might have prescribed you to eat some leafy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, like this. Am I right, Clara?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So, those people who are suffering from some eyesight problems, they have to include, they must include the leafy vegetables in their diet, because these leafy vegetables contain vitamin A. Okay, see here also you can see some spinach, broccoli, some orange, capsicum, then dry fruits like resin, carrot. Carrot is also a good source of vitamin A. Okay, say why I am showing this all to you. Why I am showing these all pictures? By seeing this, Fidel, Clara and Aradhya, please mute your audio. Never unmute it, okay, without the permission of teacher. So, Arfan, please listen properly. Just check which all food items you can include in your diet, so that in your body you will have much vitamin A. Okay, through that you can make it strong, vision, eyesight, and also beautiful skin. Am I? So this milk is there, carrot, then resin like dry fruits, capsicum, butter, ghee, egg. These all are, and see you can see here olive oil. Olive oil also contains vitamin A. Okay, so these are the food
Ma'am,
items. Yes,
oil is in my house.
it is there in your house. Okay, you can
Yes.
use it. Okay, for the salads and all you can use it. Okay, so it will then vitamin your body will get vitamin A also. Okay, can I show to another picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, there is also cheese in
Yes,
that list.
cheese is also there. Okay.
Ma'am, that is honey.
Yes. See, here you can see another picture, right? Here,
Vitamin B.
vitamin B. It is not vitamin. We have to read it as vitamin. Okay,
Vitamin.
vitamin B. See, this vitamin B includes, so it is there in so many food items. 1 minute, let me arrange it properly. Okay, so here you can see some of the food items under vitamin B. You can see here so many fruits. Am I right? So many types of seeds.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Say just check it. Which all say tomatoes, then ginger, say chiku, the chili. So many items you can see it from that. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Are you attending this class? Okay. Can you see that board?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
No,
No.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Now it is okay. I stopped that. I stopped sharing that screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Vitamin B is also very important for our bone. Okay. So you can choose some food items which are very familiar to you. So that you can include that food items in your diet. Okay, these all are very, it is not expensive. It is, you will get it in your house itself. You have to include turmeric. So tell your parent about the importance of turmeric. These all food items. Okay, will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So next one.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. Another one. Can I change to another one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Another picture you can see here, right? What is it? What is it? What is this written there? Okay.
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C.
Okay. Okay. Say. Uh, okay. Vitamin C contains in orange. So many fruits which are so tasty. Lemon.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, lemon. These all contain vitamin C. What is the importance of vitamin C? I will tell you. Okay? See, what is the importance of vitamin C? Anybody knows about it, vitamin C? This vitamin help our body to fight against the diseases. Okay, it will increase our immunity. This vitamin.
Like coronavirus.
See, Fayaz, please mute your audio. Everybody mute your audio. Okay, so this vitamin C helps the body to fight against many diseases. It will help to increase the immunity of our body. What do you mean by immunity? What do you mean by immunity?
Healthy.
Ma'am, immunity means the energy, immunity power.
Immunity power means the power by which we can prevent diseases, by which we can prevent the germs to get into our body. Okay, germs which cause the diseases, we can prevent it if our body has the immune system. Okay, so by eating this sour tasting fruits such as lemon, orange, then gooseberry. Gooseberry means the one which we are using that very much, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The juice, we can use it as a juice, we can use it as in pickle form. We can put it in the salt water to preserve it. Whatever we are doing, the vitamin C in the gooseberry will not be destroyed. In which all forms we can use it. Okay, so vitamin C helps our body to fight against many diseases. Not only that, see, these all fruits you have to citrus fruits. We can call these all fruits as citrus fruits.
Ma'am, there is banana.
Ah, yes, that also is there. Okay. So in these all fruits, you will get vitamin C. So you have to choose a fruit which is easy for you to get it, so that you can increase the immune system in your body. Okay. Next one, we can learn about this vitamin D. You know about vitamin D?
Yes, ma'am. We
Okay.
get it from sunlight.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. You will get it from sunlight. Okay, very good, very good. You know about it. See, what is the use of vitamin D? What is the function of vitamin D? What is the function of vitamin D? Can anybody say that one? What is the function?
Promotes individual.
Hannah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you know about vitamin D? But about the function of vitamin D?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, okay. So I will explain it. This vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for our bones and teeth. Our bones and teeth needs calcium. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Our bones,
Yes, ma'am.
our bones and teeth need calcium. Okay. So
Yes.
if in our body, if vitamin D is present, please Ihan, mute your audio. Some others audio also. Amar Jishat, mute your audio. Mute your audio. Yeah, I can see a lot of distracting sounds. Everybody check it, whether your audio is muted or not. Aradhya, mute your audio. Mute your audio, Aradhya. Okay. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Then if our bones and teeth use calcium, then only it will become healthy, strong and healthy. So if in our body vitamin D is present, then only this bones and teeth can use this calcium. Okay, so it is very important for the health of our bones and teeth that we should include food items that contains vitamin D. Our body produces vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. And that is why it is advised you to get the sunlight, so that our body can produce more and more vitamin D. Okay, but don't get this sunlight at 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock and all. Just get that sunlight at 8 o'clock, before 10 o'clock in the morning and after 4 o'clock in the evening, so that this sunlight won't harm your body. Okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this
Yes, ma'am.
vitamin D, what is the main function of vitamin D? It
Ma'am,
helps
vitamin
our
D.
body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Okay. Let Ihan, please answer my question, Ihan. Ihan, please answer
Yes.
my question. What
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
main function of vitamin D?
Ma'am, vitamin D
Yes, tell me. Helps our body to use. Helps our body to use.
helps our body to use
Yes. Yes. Calcium.
Calcium.
Calcium for bones and teeth.
Teeth.
Vitamin D helps our
Helps our
body to
body to
use calcium for our bones and teeth.
and teeth.
Okay, in the presence of sunlight. Say, Hannah.
Yes.
Hannah,
Yes, ma'am.
in the presence of sunlight, which vitamin is produced in our body?
Vitamin D.
Okay, vitamin D. Now we can see which all food items contain vitamin D. Okay, before that, everybody check your audio. Ihan, please mute your audio. Okay, I am going to
Unmute.
mute. Now I want to share the screen. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let me take it. Can you see a picture? Can you see a picture?
Yes, ma'am. We can.
Yes, ma'am. We can.
We can see.
Yes. What it is written
Yes,
on
ma'am.
there? What it is written on
Vitamin
there?
D. Vitamin D.
Vitamin D. Okay, is it clear to you? Now is
Yes,
it clear?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So please check. It is a very
Yes,
important,
ma'am.
very important vitamin. So you have to check which all food items can produce vitamin D in your body. See, milk and milk products. They are very important. So also vitamin D. Milk, yes, fish.
Ma'am,
Okay.
green
Then
peas is
prawns.
there.
Yeah,
Green
green
peas.
peas.
Brown.
Prawns. These all are there. See,
Egg.
1 minute. 1 minute. I think I lost that picture. One minute. Okay. Okay, I will show you now. Please wait. Dear students, please wait. Okay. I think now you can see it, right?
Yes, ma'am. We can.
I will make it some more big. Okay. Here you can see in a blue color container, fish, that the shape it is of a fish. Can you see it? In that you can see some,
Yes, ma'am. We can.
yeah, you can see some
Yes, ma'am. We
tablets,
can
right?
see.
Capsules. You can see it, right? These capsules are made up of fish oil. In that capsule, fish oil is present. Okay, so that fish oil also contains vitamin D.
Vitamin D.
Vitamin D. So milk products like butter, cheese, these all are rich in vitamin D. Then fish, then the see egg also, green peas, prawns, these also are rich in vitamin D. Okay, now I think you all understood which all food items you should include in your diet.
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
share this information with your parents. Find out which all you can add in your menu. Okay, don't go for any expensive food substances, food items. Just what all it is available near to you, you can use these. You can include these all things. Okay, so
Okay,
you
ma'am.
can also take part in your with your mother for the preparation of food. Okay, so I hope you all understood about the vitamins and what all food items contain. From that, you will get these all vitamins. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
you have to follow this in your home. Will you do it?
Yes,
Will
ma'am.
you do it? So,
Yes, ma'am. We'll do it.
through that, you can stay safe and stay healthy. Will you do it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. We will do it.
Okay, thank you. So we can meet in next class. Until then, bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.